You've learned about what a VPC is and how you can isolate certain parts of your infrastructure. But how do you secure them further when sending traffic between VPCs? Take our bees as an example. If we have two hives, or VPCs, or VBCs, we'd have to send the bees outside and through the internet if we want them to travel between the two. This is not ideal because who knows what lurks out there? Never fear, as you can utilize an AWS feature called VPC Endpoints or private links. This allows you to route your bees through a secure endpoint in one VPC and to another. This means they do not leave your AWS infrastructure and do not go through the internet, resulting in a safer path of travel. Translating all of this to AWS speak, we can see that without private link VPCs, we would need to send traffic through the internet in order for VPCs to talk to each other. However, when you configure a private link, you are indeed allowing traffic to flow directly between your VPCs. Fantastic stuff, I must say. I mean, have you ever seen something so beautiful? One more thing to go over is route tables. When you provision a VPC, it comes with an implicit router. Think of your router at home. You connect your PC to it in order to access the internet, but you can connect multiple devices. In order for the receiving traffic to end up to the right device, it is routed accordingly. Devices can communicate to each other, and thus local routes are possible too. If we think about this in VPC terms, this is called a route table, which contains a set of rules or routes that are used to determine where network traffic is directed. A default main route table is set up for a VPC, and you must associate a subnet with an actual route table. It doesn't have to be the main table, and you can create a custom route table to route traffic accordingly. I recommend reading the information about route tables in the notes, especially since I threw in as many routes into that part, and because Hong hates my South African pronunciation of route versus route. I mean, you could route tables, and a tree has routes. You can also root for your favorite sporting team and eat lots of fruit. Okay, the last one doesn't really count, but she's giving me bad looks from behind the camera, so I think I'll close out right there. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.